Imagine this. You're renting a home, and instead of feeling stuck with plain white walls or outdated fixtures, you have the freedom to make it truly yours. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the twist. According to a recent study by OSB Group, a surprising 70% of landlords today are open to tenants personalizing their rental spaces. And get this, over a third of landlords are even willing to collaborate on decoration plans, with 1 in 5 helping renters select skilled tradespeople for bigger projects. Let's dive into why this shift is such a game changer, especially for renters who crave a sense of ownership, even in a space they don't technically own. For many, moving into a new rental can feel impersonal at first. The walls might be bare, the lighting harsh, and the overall vibe, well, let's just say it doesn't scream home sweet home. That's exactly how Ramsha Waseem felt when she first moved into her rental. Determined to transform the space, she embarked on a budget-friendly makeover that turned bland into beautiful. Ramsha explains, "When I first walked in, it was just white walls and no personality. It didn't feel like home at all. I wanted something calming, inviting, and cozy, something that felt lived in." Her journey began with small but impactful changes, starting with a bold patterned rug purchased from Temu for just £10.81. This simple addition became the foundation of her design, setting the tone for the rest of the room. Next came cushions for £4.84 and a soft throw blanket for £7.26, which added layers of comfort and texture. But Ramsha didn't stop there. To bring life into her space, she incorporated greenery, but not the kind that requires constant care. Instead, she opted for faux flowers, priced at £11.10. "They add calmness," she says, "and I never have to worry about watering them." A clever choice for anyone who loves plants but struggles to keep them alive. One of the biggest challenges renters face is making changes without risking their security deposit. Ramsha tackled this issue head-on by using heavy-duty adhesive strips, available for just £2.77, to hang paintings and artwork. These strips allowed her to personalize her walls without causing any damage, a win-win solution for both renter and landlord. She also upgraded the lighting with rechargeable wall lamps, priced at £21.62 each. It's about empowerment, the ability to take control of your living environment and create a space that reflects who you are. And this is the part most people miss. Personalizing a rental isn't just about aesthetics. It's about improving your quality of life. Feeling connected to your surroundings can boost your mood, increase productivity, and even foster a stronger sense of belonging. So why shouldn't landlords support this? After all, happy tenants are more likely to stay longer and take better care of the property. But here's where it gets controversial. Should landlords do more than simply allow renters to decorate? Could they actively encourage or even contribute financially to these kinds of projects? Some might argue that investing in tenant happiness pays off in the long run, while others may see it as unnecessary involvement. What do you think? Should landlords play a bigger role in helping renters create dream homes, or is staying hands-off the better approach? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you have to say.